Hey, today we're taking a look at something completely new from LEVC, a company known for their iconic London taxis. Get ready to be surprised, because they are about to unveil a unique all-electric minivan in China, the LEVC L380. Now, this isn't your average minivan. LEVC took a bold approach, drawing inspiration from none other than the world's largest passenger aircraft, the Airbus A380. Why? It's a clever way to emphasize the L380's spaciousness and comfort, qualities shared by its aviation namesake. Up front, we're greeted by a futuristic full-width LED bar, flanked by sleek bumper-mounted headlights. Slim intakes add a touch of sportiness, while the massive windshield ensures a clear view of the road ahead. Moving to the side, the L380 maintains a clean and modern look. Flush door handles contribute to the streamlined appearance, while large windows provide passengers with a panoramic view. The rear end stands out with its vertically cut design, featuring full-width taillights with cutting-edge LED graphics. It's a bold and futuristic touch that perfectly complements the L380's overall design. Now, let's talk about the numbers. The LEVC L380 is no small fry. It measures a whopping 5,316 mm long, 1,998 mm wide, and 1,940 mm tall, with a wheelbase of 3,185 mm. But don't worry, despite its size, it weighs in at a manageable 2,805 kg.